Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now just come on here today to show you things that I haven't got in the mailbox. Now I know Karen dropped this off on her way up to town, so I just took them out of the bag and she given me these little dresses. Look at this. This one hasn't quite been finished yet, but isn't that neat? Look at this. It's a dolly dress and it has to have this bodice part here put on up here. Going to have to be gathered up to there. I don't know how that's going to work, but anyway, that is really cool, Karen. Thank you very much for that nice little dress there. The top bit, because I was doing my doll journal, it might have been a little bit big, but it's okay because I can use it for something else somewhere later. Look at this one here. Isn't this neat? Well, dolly dress. That's cool. And then this one, I think, is a matinee jacket. My son would have wore one of these. He's 40. We used to have to wear... No, this is not a matinee jacket. This is a nightie. The matinee jacket was the thing that we crocheted and put embroidery on. They put over the top. And it's a bit old, this one, isn't it? It's a size, something. It doesn't say, but it's actually... Yeah, it's a baby nightie. Old baby nightie. Really good. Thank you very much. Don't know yet what I can do with that. I actually seen a lady who was dancing with pit bulls put all the kids' clothes onto a quilt. And then she sent me this. I think I might have a bit of an idea what it is. I think, because I wasn't expecting this today, but look at this. These are... ephemera. Look at that. Oh, thank you. This is a brick veneer 3-bedroom Sunline home that she's printed them off for me because a lady sent them to her and she's sharing them with me. Look at that. Wow. Thank you. Oh dear, look. Thank you very much, Karen. These are really cool. Oh, I can never get hold of any old bits and pieces. So look at that. I got some now. I might be able to make a vintage journal. I'm sure I will. 4 pair of pants. £1.38. That can't be right for 4 pair. Yeah, because it was 1959. My goodness gracious me, look at that. And then there's the little airmail tickets. And here's the front of an envelope. Oh no, the whole thing's here. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's neat. That is too. Oh, these are nice. Thank you so much. Look at the tiny little tickets and a. Oh, that's good. Thank you very much, Karen. Oh dear, you're a good girl. Thank you. And there's some tags off the tops ones. Here's another one. And this is from 1959. And this is £1, 1 shilling and 6pence for a liqueur set and some tumblers. So that's £1, 1 shilling and 6pence. Here's an envelope. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Here's another. Oh, thank you so much. This is so good. The show in 1959, 11th of May in Melbourne Stadium. There's another one. Ticket to the show, broadcasting one. That's a receipt for something or other. This is to go on the Orient line, England and Australia. And this is another one for a passenger's ticket. Wow. Oh, these are really cool, Karen. Thank you so much for giving me them all. I wasn't expecting those ones today. That's very kind of you. Thank you ever so much for that. I really will have fun working with those, won't I? I'm putting them in this little pop hole up there in the little nest so I can find them, or I hope so. And then from AliExpress I have purchased some dies. Honestly can't say how much. I know they're between $1 and $5, okay? I wanted mushrooms, so I've got a few mushrooms there, and leaves. I love mushrooms and leaves. I'm scanning it. My big shot's not in here at the moment, but I'll go and this is really cool. I'm saying it's going to work okay too. I'm excited to be able to go and get do some different dyes. Okay, right. Now, today, I'll be back, okay? That'll do for that one. I'll come back. I don't want to mix all these together. So that's my shopping from the mailman today. I don't think I've got anything else I haven't showed you. Right. Yesterday I went out and I bought some books, of course. I went to Vinnie's and I come back home with a fair few books, and I've been cutting up paper, so they'll be chopped up, so you don't want to see those. You'll see them coming into me work, I suppose, as I go along. So thank you for watching, everybody, and we'll talk to you later. And thank you very much to Karen for my goodies. Bye-bye.